I've been a personal trainer and nutrition coach since 2016. During that time, I've helped a range of clients. Mothers that want to feel more confident when they look in the mirror, bodybuilders whether they want to jump on stage or just want to focus on their own body composition goals. I've helped fathers that want to lead by example, feel fitter for the day-to-day, and I've helped professional athletes and amateur athletes win at their sports. So I've had a bit of experience coaching a range of demographics, but every single one of those clients wanted something more. They wanted something more with their nutrition. They wanted something more with their goals, with their fitness. Nutrition and fitness really can transform your life. And for myself, it started at the age from where I can remember, around 12 years old. I was influenced by my dad, and who you surround yourself with can really influence your own behaviors. But my dad did influence me to get into the gym. I started lifting weights at 12 years old. I'm from Sydney, Australia. He used to play sports like rugby league, so he was always into strength training, and we had a rusty gym set where we lived, or where we used to live. I would go up to the gym at 12 years old. I would follow old bodybuilding magazines, and I just wanted to transform my body. I would start lifting. Now, I had no idea what I was doing. I don't know what I know now. I would be very sore. There would be some niggles and injuries, and I want to avoid that as much as I can now, hence why I know what I know. But back then, I just took action and I started focusing on my nutrition and fitness. Now, that started to transform my life. I started to get more confident with the way I looked, the way I felt, the way I performed. I started to gain unique experiences. I competed in bodybuilding, I competed in combat sports, I competed also in ultra marathons. So unique experience I got to gain as well. But I started to gain valuable lessons since then that I could carry over to help my community, my clients. Nutrition and fitness coaching really changed my life because it gave me the opportunity to have unique experiences. I've had the opportunity to travel overseas with athletes that I was coaching, helping represent Australia. I've had the opportunity to create new friends with my community here. I have my team, I have my clients, my members. It's allowed me to share my own methods that I use for training and nutrition to help body fat loss, muscle gain, fitness improvements, cognitive function. It's really given me a lot of opportunities to make an impact, a positive impact, I think. And I'm very grateful for that because it's allowed me to have a career with my passion. Before I was doing health and fitness, I was in the construction industry and I wasn't fulfilled. But with this industry, I can actually make a living and help others achieve their goals and also apply those lessons to myself. It's also allowed me to stay more accountable with my own health and fitness goals, being a nutrition and fitness coach, because I need to lead by example for my family and for my team and for my clients. So I've been able to be more accountable being a health and fitness coach as well. And ultimately that's changed my life because I am fitter, healthier, and I have no intention of slowing down. So health, fitness, nutrition, there's many ways I think that it has played a vital role in forming my own life. But I'm sure as you can understand, when you start working on your own health and fitness goals, you start to look better in the mirror, you feel more confident, you start to feel fitter for your day-to-day when you're picking up your kids or when you got to carry something heavy, you can actually feel the strength. When you're going out and those around you start to notice and compliment. Not that we want to be too vain, but it can feel fantastic to know you're on the right track. But also from a serious health perspective, focusing on your health and fitness can really transform your life from a health and longevity perspective, from what you can control. So it really can carry over your fitness and nutrition. And at the end of the day, health is wealth. And if you're not focusing on your fitness or your health, but nothing else really matters if you're cutting the quality of your life down. So fitness and nutrition coaching has given me a lot of opportunities. And on this YouTube channel, I just want to share those methods and lessons with you. So you can take away and try, these tips, these diet tips, workout exercise tips, lifestyle tips, and see if they help you. That's my goal of this channel. And if you find it helpful, please let me know and engage in the community here as well. On this channel, just on that, what you can expect is workout exercise tutorials, the way that I like to teach them. What you can expect is diet tips to help with fat loss, to help with weight gain for some of you that want weight gain, how to fast track weight loss, a few tips on vitality, health, What you can expect is product reviews in the health and fitness industry that I use personally or I recommend to clients. You might find that helpful as well. And I'm also going to document my journey with vlogs so you can see my day-to-day, hopefully get some tips out of what I do, and I just want to document my journey as well. And I just want to showcase and share my client results and show you what I do with my clients to achieve the results you see. You might be able to connect with them because you might be a dad yourself, you might be a uni student yourself, and you can connect with the case studies that I share, and you might have some takeaways that you can take away for your own health and fitness goals to achieve results too. So I'm going to showcase all of this on this channel, and if you find it helpful, please keep a comment down below if you have any questions, because I want to help you where I can as a coach. And once again, I just want to share the methods so you get the most out of this channel as well, okay? I really just want to start documenting and sharing my lessons over the years and having a platform where if it's helpful to you and I can make one change or positive change to your life, that's well worth it, all right? So stay tuned for all this content coming out, guys. I'm very excited to release it. But I just wanted to jump on here and share how fitness and nutrition with coaching has changed my life and allowed me to change the lives of others. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, comment down below, and subscribe to the channel if you're into more health and fitness related content. I have a few links down below you can explore as well with some free ebooks, and also for those that are ever interested, some coaching resources as well. So thanks guys for tuning in. I look forward to seeing you in the next one, and don't forget, give it everything.